Hey guys, today I made a tutorial about the extensions in the shop. It's very simple, but I've seen many people got confused through the comments. Anyway, after this video, everything should be crystal clear for you. So stick around for that, and as always, if you're new here, a like and sub will be appreciated. Also, we do have a pretty active Discord server, and most of the nights there is some car meets going on there, so if you would like to participate, the link is in description. Okay, as you get in this section, you can see the body kit option on the top left, and if you click on it, it gives you these options. Some people think it's just change everything at once and that's it, but as you can see, they all are different brands. Then if you choose any part, for example the front bumper, you can see the CBW is already on, and you also can choose a few others, but in this case on the R&T, and the missile ones it says extensions required. It simply means the part doesn't fit on the kit, so there is no way that you'd be able to use it with the other parts you already have, so in order to access it you need to go back to the body kit section on the top left, and for example choose the R&T. Now if you go back, you can see the R&T bumper is on, but there is some other parts not available such as the stock bumpers, and it's all as simple as that. Anyway, if you have any other questions, there is a link in description which takes you to one of my playlists. There is a bunch of different tutorials which most likely you should find whatever you need, but if anything was missing, tell me in the comments.